Today we're featuring the new 2021 Venza XLE Hybrid that gets up to 40 miles per gallon. The stylish front grille is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the LED projector headlights with automatic high beams and dual LED daytime running lights designed to maximize visibility in all conditions. The color-keyed door handles integrate the 5-door smart key system, allowing you to keep the key in your pocket and still unlock the vehicle. You'll enjoy the convenience of the Venza's height-adjustable hands-free power liftgate with jam protection, and the LED taillights will give you fast braking warning. The color-keyed and heated power outside mirrors with turn signal and blind spot warning indicators include rear cross traffic alert. In addition, with Toyota's Safety Sense, you get the Venza's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and many more features to keep you and your family safe. Once inside, you'll notice the rear fold-down center armrest. The 3-passenger rear seating with 60/40 split fold-flat seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations, and additional rear seating options are also available. The soft-text seating surfaces add luxury and ease of use for cleanup. The overhead console contains LED map lights and the Safety Connect button for emergency services or roadside assistance communication. The Venza also comes with in-cabin Wi-Fi, destination assist, intelligent touch controls, and an 8-inch Toyota infotainment touchscreen. The leather-trimmed tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Venza XLE also includes heated front seats and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function and power lumbar support. The roomy center console contains stylish ambient lighting, push-button start, and controls for the EV, Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes, as well as the all-wheel drive integrated management to keep you safe whether you choose on-road or off-road. The Venza is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. And remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years regardless of mileage. So experience elevated elegance in the new 2021 Toyota Venza XLE. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.